Hey for Baba.
Oh boy.
My
My brother. Since I come this village, I just enjoy. I want to enjoy myself.
Baba, now for junction, I don't smell this food. Hey for Baba.
Oh boy. This food. They can't oil when they take prepare this soup. I never see. You know they go for mouth. It is sweet. Oh, yeah.
Look I see.
Blows up.
Close on.
I swear.
And palm oil be this.
Better one. I say now for Nigeria they do this palm oil. Better one, see better palm oil. You know they gum for mouth. As you use and prepare your soup, prepare anything. Forget that. See these beans now. Honey beans.
Hey for Baba. Oh,
Yeah.
they sell beans too.
I will use honey beans. They package and wear. And you feel me that you feel see anywhere where you did. Now from village nowadays, now order this one. I they deliver for me. Anywhere you did, you order, they go deliver. Ah, my brother. Now 2.5 for me, I just buy. Nobody let this one in the duo. I'll show you.
Okay.
This one are better crispy plantain chips. They do this one too. You know finish oh. I'll show you. Kuli kuli. You know the kuli kuli.
I know.
See, I'm better kuli kuli. This one, if you put them for man like that, see they make crack. Oh, but I beg, I don't want to talk too much. See, I don't want to talk too much. Go.
This kuli like this. I want order out. Don't say me, I be Gary person.
Anybody we want, eh?
Okay.
Go Blossom. See, their number there. I'll check myself. See, their number there. So if you want them now, they're there for number 8 Babatunde Street, off Ogulana Drive, Surulere, Lagos. Their number now 0803 444 61188. When I go order, me as I do like this, I just enjoy myself. I want. Ain't nobody stress me. Blossom Food Production, na them. Oh boy, go order.
Make I join you for this one.
I beg. No, I beg. Oh boy, they your lane, I beg.